Welcome to this quick video overview of sending a transaction with Conga Sign for web. I am currently in the Conga Revenue Lifecycle Management Cloud. To create a new transaction, click the Create New button on the right-hand side. The Create Transaction screen will appear. You are required to enter a transaction name. Optional fields include a template and a transaction description. For this demonstration, I will only enter the name. After entering the name, click Save. The transaction will be created, and you will be directed to the Transaction Details screen. On this screen, you can specify details for your transaction. Notice the sections for Documents and Recipients. I will now upload a document. Click Add Document and select NDA, SingleSigner.docx. For this organization, a recipient is automatically included. However, for a single signer NDA, I will remove the automatically added recipient. Click the X next to the pre-filled recipient and confirm its removal. Then add the desired recipient, Salish Murray, for the NDA. Once recipients are added, scroll down to access additional settings. These include options for language, transaction expiration days, time zone settings, and upload preferences. When you are satisfied with all settings, click Next. You will be taken to the tagging screen. Scroll down to locate the area for signature tags. You can either drag and drop individual tags onto the document or utilize pre-configured layouts. In this case, I will apply the NDA, Single Signer layout, which automatically adds the necessary tags to the document, preparing it for signature. Once the tags are positioned correctly, click Send to Sign. Confirm your decision to send the transaction. The transaction will be sent, and you will be redirected to the transaction detail page. Here, you can monitor the transaction status, which is currently in progress. You can also view all included documents. Review the list of recipients and their signing status. Currently, Salish has not yet signed, indicated by the absence of a checkmark. Once signed, this status will update on this page. Various actions are available, including reviewing documents, sending reminders to recipients, editing the transaction mid-flight, deleting the transaction, or downloading documents associated with it. This concludes our overview of creating and sending a transaction within Conga Sign for web. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.